Hello everyone, I hope you all guys are healthy and safe. Dear students, today I am going to tell you the important questions of Unit 2 Physical Education Class 12. In my last video, I already told you the important questions of Unit 1st. Okay, so today we are going to know about the important questions from Unit 2. Unit 2 is the sports and nutrients in Physical Education Class 12. Okay, so let's start today's lecture. The first question can be asked from this unit is mention the components of food, or the question can be asked explain the components of balanced diet. Okay, the answer will be the same, but we have to change the writing manner. How? Let's understand. First, if question will be asked, the mention the component of food. The components of food are macronutrients, which are carbohydrate, protein, fats. Okay, these are macronutrients. Next is micronutrients, which are vitamins and minerals. And number third is water. Okay, water is also the component of food. So, if the question will be asked in 2 marks, mention the components of food, you can write the questions, means answer it in the same way. If the question will be asked in the long answer, then you are going to explain these all the things in a proper manner. Okay, according to the word limit. You will explain the types of carbohydrate, okay, simple and complex. Then you will write about the proteins, its functions and works. Then you will write about the fats, types of fats, okay, saturated, unsaturated and trans fats. Then you will explain the micronutrients, vitamins, types of vitamins, okay, their works, their names, means scientific names, and then you will explain about the minerals when the question will be asked in the long answer. Now, when we talk about the explain the components of balanced diet, the same components of the balanced diet also, but in balanced diet, the person will use the components in a proper amount, in a proper amount. Okay, according to their body, according to the physique, or according to his work. Okay, so these are the components of food. Now, this question can be asked in every form. Means the question can be asked in the MCQ type also. The question can be asked in the short answer and in the long answer also. How? The question can be asked in the MCQ. Which of the following is not a macronutrients? Question can be asked. Which of the following is not a macronutrients? And you will get the option carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, minerals. Which one is the not a macronutrients? These three are macronutrients. Okay. After all, means whatever the other thing is there apart from these three, that will be the right answer. Like vitamin will be there, so vitamin will be the right answer. You must understand the question I asked. Which of the following is not a macronutrients? Okay. So you check that in that way. Okay. So you understand the question, then write the answers according to that. I hope you understood about this question. This is very important question. The any type of question can be asked from there. The question can be asked explain the macronutrients, then you are going to write about these three only. Okay, can be asked explain the micronutrients and their use in body, so you are going to explain these two, vitamins and minerals. So now let's move to our next question. Explain the functions of fat and protein, which is very important question. Okay, the question is asked many times in the exam. Explain the functions of protein, and the question is also asked sometime in the exams. Explain the functions of fats. So now let's know what are the functions of fats and what are the functions of protein. So first, functions of fat. Functions means the work. What is the work of fat in our human body? Okay, the functions of fats are energy reserve. Okay, protect organs from shock, store fat soluble vitamin A, D, E, K. Okay, A, D, E, K are the fat soluble vitamin, and vitamin B and vitamin C are the water soluble vitamin. Okay, regulates body temperature. It helps to regulate the body temperature also. The next is triggers many hormones and enzymes. Okay, so these are the functions of fat. Next is functions of protein. Very important question. Okay, so first let's understand what are the functions of protein. Building blocks, repair and maintenance of body tissue, regulation of body process, formation of enzyme and hormones, formation of antibodies, etc. There are other verbs also. So this question also can be asked in many forms, like Question can be asked in MCQ, question can be asked in short answer, and question can be asked in the long answer also. So you write the answers according to the word limit. Okay, if the question will be asked in MCQ, so how the question will be asked? Sometimes generally this question is asked, what is the building block of human body? So the building block is protein. Okay, it is also known as the building block. Okay, so how can the question can be asked in short answer? The short answer can be asked in the same way. Okay, explain the functions of fat, or write down the functions of protein. Okay, so you are going to write in that way. When the question will be asked in the long answer, then you are going to explain these all the points one by one. Okay, so this question is also very important from this chapter. I hope you understood how to write the answer. So now let's move the next question. Next question is, what are the pitfalls of dieting? This question is also asked many times in the exam, so you must know what are the pitfalls of dieting. Okay, answers: hair loss, okay, slower reaction time, water imbalance, low blood sugar level, weight gain, depression, damaged organs, deficiencies, etc. These all are the pitfalls of dieting. Okay, if the question will be asked in the long answer, you have to explain these all the things. Okay, generally this question is asked in the 3 marks, so you have to explain some of these. According to the word limit, you have to write the answers. Okay, so next questions are very important. As you know, this year the pattern is changed and you will get the 2 marks question also. So this type of question can be asked, like what is food, what is diet, what is balanced diet, what is the difference between diet and balanced diet. So you must know these all. So I have taken some questions like, what is food? What is food? Anything that can be eaten by human being or animal in order to maintain growth is called food. Okay, it helps to keep alive. To whom? To humans and the animals or organisms. Okay, so this is food. You must know the stuffs. Next is, what is diet and balanced diet? Or you can say, what is the difference between diet and balanced diet? The question can be asked in this type also. So what is diet? First, let's know diet: the sum of food consumed by an individual per day. Whatever the amount of food is consumed by an individual in a day, that is called diet. Now what is balanced diet then? What is the difference? Let's understand. It is a diet that contains all essential components of food in the proper ratio and proportion to meet the demands of the body. Okay, the diet, whatever we are consuming per day, that is diet. It is not necessary in that diet all the essential components are there. Essential components are vitamins, means the macronutrients and the micronutrients. But in balanced diet, we must add all the components. The components are in a proper amount according to the demands of body or the ratio. Okay, so this is the difference between diet and balanced diet. This type of question can be also asked. So I hope you understood about the important questions from chapter 2. So that's all for today. Thank you. Be happy, be healthy.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.